All right, have you guys ever heard of this stuff? This is the first time I've ever heard of this Advion ant, and I might even say it right. So we had an ant problem in the trailer. We picked it up from Tennessee. There were ants in it, and we pulled it all the way to where we're at now and just had a ton of ants. As I was going through and getting stuff for the renovation, a trailer tech of over like 10 years said he highly recommended this stuff. And again, I never even heard of it. Apparently all you do is it comes in this injector bottle. You get this right here and you find the trail of the ants. So wherever the ants are trailing, you find that trail. So all you need is just to find an area where they're coming in a crease, and you put a drop right there. So we'll just put a little drop. Apparently what happens is they're drawn to it, they take it, and they start taking it back to their nest, and it's supposed to kill the queen, and then your ant problem is gone just with a simple drop. And that's pretty crazy. So get rid of your ant problem. Oh, look at that. See, they're already swarming. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're like, hey buddy, isn't that crazy? Man, they're just swarming. Look at that. That is crazy how fast they're just putting like a mill out for them. I'm hoping you guys can see that. There we go. I think you can see that now. Look at that. There were no ants, now there's a ton of ants there. Just saying, hey, free food. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, I'm a big believer in this now. Look how many ants are on that. Just really quick, within 20 seconds, they just started to converge. They're gonna eat that, take that back to their nest, and then hopefully it'll get rid of all the ants. That's crazy. So this year, this is my go-to ant. I'm not gonna do the sprays anymore. This works, and it's gonna last me forever. You just take the nozzle off, you take the cap, you put the cap back on, and it's gonna not dry out on you. It's gonna last a long time. So I'd highly recommend it. In fact, I never even heard about it until today, and it is working just like that. So super fast. So if you have an ant problem, this is what I'd recommend for sure.